we just arrived here in Balete, Batangas. We got an invite to a Nayomi Resort. It's our last weekend here in the Philippines, so we'll be spending the night here. And right now, we're just waiting for our ride, which is right there. Let's go. Okay, thank you. Here we are, let's check this place out. So quiet here. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. So we just finished our late breakfast. Now we're just touring the area, checking out. This is the Bahay Kubos. Now we were just at the glamping sites. It's so peaceful and quiet here.
Dito ang reception.
Oh, our ride is here. So we just finished our May tour. Now we're gonna have lunch. James and I are just walking around right now, and it's so quiet and peaceful here, which is really nice because all the living areas are isolated, so it feels like you're literally the only people here. So it's really nice and relaxing. The other thing is there's no Wi-Fi here, so they encourage their guests to talk to each other and relax. So this area is where they held the weddings of Camille Prats and John Prats, and it has a super pretty view of Taal volcano. Hello everybody, it's around 7 p.m. now, and we've got a beautiful Batangas sunset right here. We're running because we're trying to catch it before the sun sets completely. Let's see if we can check this place out from the sky. Dinner now, so let's eat. So this is the glamping area that we visited earlier. Pretty lit right now. They just finished the bonfire and there's a movie playing over there. Here it is. Here's what it looks like at night. It's so pretty. Hey guys, what's up? It's just Jen. It's like 3:30 a.m. here in Manila, and we are about to board our plane back home to Minneapolis. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who followed my vlogs here in the Philippines. We had such a fun month here and we enjoyed our time as always. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you at my next vlog. Bye!